Guys, welcome back to today's daily market outlook where we discuss all the JPY pairs. What we can see on your JPY is that we made a break of structure in towards the upside on the 4-hour and daily. Price just continues up, going higher, and this is because of the Japanese yen, the basket, trading down lower without showing us any signs of a retracement yet. For your JPY, it's a no trade zone for me. Not clear liquidity being grabbed, no clear structure that is forming. So today's a short one for your JPY. There is not a lot to do. Next up, we have GU. GU did swipe the highs that we marked out over here. On the daily, I think it is. Why is there? Yes, there was a liquidity high over here. We did finally swipe that high. So yeah, let's see what kind of reaction we can get from that. As of now, we did create some... No, there's nothing. It's just sideways price action. I was thinking maybe we did swipe some highs and break some lows, but it's still rather sideways over here. Of course, because the Japanese yen itself is still really bearish, I don't want to trade this down lower as of now, only when we see clear structure forming and a break or change of direction on the basket. I want to get into shorts back down lower towards some retracement levels. But for now, GJ is a no trader for me. Then we have AJ. AJ also continued up higher on the 1 hour. We did grab some liquidity over here, but it's not significant. I would have liked to see this low go and then maybe a change of character. Also, this pair, AJ, a no trader for me. We just really have to wait on these Japanese yen pairs to... or for some structure to form before we can get into any trades. Then we have NZD JPY. NZD JPY, on the other hand, did come back into this supply zone, did trade up and now broke down. So let's wait and see what we can get. There is still liquidity situated over here. We are back into this supply zone. I don't think this supply zone will hold. So if this is your last buy before the sell down, then of course we can maybe say if this breaks with the stops here, we can trade it down lower. But on the 4 hour, this is rather uncertain, and with a really bearish Japanese yen still, I don't want to trade this in towards the downside. So also going to wait before some clearer structure is forming on NZD JPY. Then we have CAD JPY. CAD JPY yesterday flew in towards the upside. Once again, continuing order flow. Now this is your last demand zone that's open. We took out a lot of liquidity here, so maybe we can see some kind of a retracement back in towards this demand zone, then continue up higher. As of now, uncertain. No real positions for me to be taken over here, and all we can do is wait in these kind of market conditions. If you're not in, then decide if you want to get in onto the order flow, but together with that JPY basket, that was too uncertain for me as well. And of course, then I rather wait. CHF JPY, this on the other hand is a bit tricky. We did not come back in towards the demand zone situated over here, but we did swipe some liquidity. There was liquidity situated underneath here. We swipe it, we then break up. We retrace once again, and then we break up again. So we have a double 1 hour break, then a 3 1 hour break actually. So let's get into the replay tool from here, because I want to see what's happening here. Okay, we break and then this becomes our liquidity. So if I want to take a long, it's from here with our stops underneath here. I don't want to trade higher than this. A 1 to 2 would give us some breathing room down. Yeah, this could be an interesting position. Let's see. Okay, then we cover that, and then once again I want to check the JPY basket. Yeah, we are trading at the all-time low, so it is a bit tricky, this position, but it does look rather good on CHF JPY itself. So let's get out of replay, and yeah, we already traded up higher. We took out this liquidity. Then if this is our 1 hour swing, 0.5. I don't know. I am going to monitor this today, something like this. But if it's not convincing enough for me, then I'm not getting into position. But it is something I am going to look for and watch out for. That's already it for the JPY pairs. It's because there's not a lot happening. I don't really like trading over here after this break of structure down without some clear retracement in towards the upside. Also, there are a lot of liquidity highs being formed over here. So at some point, I do suspect or expect actually a retracement back down higher and then a break of structure down lower. And this would be really ideal because then, one, we can get into a lot of shorts on the JPY pairs during the retracement phase, and two, we can get into new beautiful long positions after that retracement phase is over, and we're going to get our new push in towards the downside. Guys, thanks for watching today. I hope you learned something. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. I make daily market outlooks here every day about the market, except for the weekend, of course. Because it's Friday, it's going to be a nice weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye.